All right, now I'm going to go over some examples where you're not given a sequence with the terms in order. So you're going to be given just two random terms. In this case, we're given A1 and A3, but you can be given like A10 and A50. And the goal is still to find any term. So here we're going to find A11, A109, given any two terms. So the thing you just have to make sure that you do first is to figure out the common difference. Because if we want to find A109 or A11, like no matter what, we're going to need to know the common difference, D. So we need to always know the common difference, D. So let's just start there. So we're going to have D be equal to, and we're going to use this formula. Because we can find the common difference D if we're given any two terms in a sequence. And they don't have to be in order. That's the cool thing about this, is that when you just use AN and AM instead of AN and A1, it doesn't have to be like terms that are consecutive. It could be terms way apart, just any two. So in this case, we're going to have, we'll use A3 minus A1. And that means our N is going to be 3 and our M is going to be 1. So we're going to have this. And then let's now just solve. A3 is 14.4. A1 is 15 over 2. So we get negative 0.6 over 2, which will give us negative 0.3 for the common difference. So now that we got the common difference, we just do what we did in the last couple of examples in the first part of this lesson. So then let's find A11. Using this, AM, we'll do A1 plus D, so plus a negative 0.3, times N minus M, so 11 minus 1 in this case. And let's just work it through. So then A1 is 15 minus 0.3 times 10. So 15 minus 3, and then we'll get 12. Just barely fit in there, 12. And then so for A109, we'll have again A1 plus a negative 0.3. We're going to have 109 be our N, 1 still be our M, and we just work our way through. 15, pretty much same setup. Here we're going to have 108. So let me go to the next line so I don't cram it in there. And my calculator is getting bored, so I'm going to, make it feel like it's helping. So we get 15 minus 32.4. We get negative 17.4. All right. Pretty simple. Let's do another one. All right, for B, we have that A3 is 100, and that A1 is, or no, A5 is 150. So again, let's start off by finding the common difference D. So we're going to have D be equal to AN. Let's have A5 be our AN minus A3 over 5 minus 3. And again, like try to always try these on your own first once you think you got it. So pause the video and then unpause it once you want to check. That way you make sure that you're really getting this stuff down. And working this through, we'll have 150 minus 100 over 2. So we're going to have 50 over 2, which will be 25. Our common difference now is 25. And then so then we can go ahead and just use this equation to find A11. So A11 will be, in this case, let's have AM be A3 plus D, so plus 25 times 11 minus 3, because our M is 3. Then we just work it out. So 100 plus 25 times 8. So 100 plus 200. And we'll get 300. All right, now A109. Again, let's just use A3 again. Why not, right? Plus 25 plus D. In this case, the N is going to be 109 minus 3 again. 100 plus 25 times 106. Calculator. Calculator was, again, feeling neglected, so I'm going to use it to make him feel important. So we got 100 plus 2650. And we'll get that A109 is 2750. By now it's probably getting like almost boring, but let's just do one more to make sure we master this, because this one's going to be a little different. Because sometimes these ones you can kind of maybe just see that, oh, I'm skipping one and you kind of guess. But the problems were the numbers are chosen intentionally, so you can not worry too much about tedious calculations. So don't just rely on that, because maybe you'll throw in like crazy like fractions, like 11 sevenths and like 112 sevenths or something. Like, anyways, let's do one more. So for C, we have A4 is 18 and A8 is 30. Right, find first the common difference D. So we're going to have D equals, let's go with A8 and minus A4 and over 8 minus 4. Thirty minus 18 over 4, 12 over 4. We get 3 as our common difference. Now, what do we got next? Oh, yeah. So then, oh yeah, so the rest is simple. And again, try to always maybe attempt these on your own first. So pause the video. Obviously, I'm not going to want to just pause because that wouldn't make any sense. So A11, referring back to good old AN formula. So A11 will be AM. Let's just go with A4 plus 3 plus D. In this case, we'll have 11 minus 4. A4 is 18 plus 3 times 7. So 18 plus 21, 39. And A109. Last one. Let's go with that A4 again. A4 plus D times N minus M. N minus M. So 109 minus 4. A4 is 18 plus 3 times 105. 18 plus 315. 333. Triple threes. All right. Then there you go. That's all there is to this. So just again, practice, practice, practice. But again, let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or if I made a mistake. I don't think I did, but you never know. Or maybe I said something weird. I'm a teacher, so I'm very immune to criticism. But I'm always trying to get better. So in the next lesson after this, we're going to go into how we sum up arithmetic sequences and series. So make sure you go to that one after you are done with this. I'll see you guys there.